Welcome back. In this video we will see how to create a database in SQL Server Management Studio and how to check our connection whom we are connected right now in the IDE. So let's get started. First we need to check our connection in the Object Explorer tab. So here I will check my connection. So here my server name is my own desktop. Create my local connection right now, and here you can see my connection is created. And now I will go to the new query tab, and it will give me a window where I can write my code and I can see my results regarding my database, my tables and my rows and entries. We will see these other things later on in this course. Right now we are going to create our first database in SQL Server Management. So I will write some commands that are predefined. Create database, and then use your own name about which you are going to create your database. That will indicate you in the future that about which thing these databases are. So I will write practice db, and then the syntax here is we need to add semicolon in the end of every line of this code. So I will select my whole script. Here as you can see the commands completed successfully. That means your database has been created, and to use this database we need to use a keyword to enter in this database, that is use your db name. Here is our database name, practice db, and semicolon, execute. Here you can see commands completed successfully. I hope you have understood how to create the database and how to check your connection in this IDE. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.